What's up, everybody? Mitty T. Got a brand new jam I want y'all to hear, man. Goes a little something like this. The title is called "Wanna Be Bad." You know what I mean? You know, sometimes you want to be bad, don't always want to be good. Here's one of those songs that'll let you know what time it is. Yeah.
Oh, shit. New Mitty T shit.
Yeah.
Y'all motherfuckers ain't knowing, man. I wanna be bad. Yeah. I wanna be bad. I wanna be bad, homie. I'm sick and tired of being good, homie. Y'all been sleeping on me way too long. Eating New York and Van Winkle on. Motherfucker, wake up from your dreaming. I see you plotting. I see you scheming. But my eyes are wide open, they wide awake. I know the real from the fake. I wanna be bad. So fucking bad. Crack your head open, that's bad. See what's on your mind. See what's inside your mind. Looking at the brains along. Letting you know I cracked their skull, dog. Damn. I'm just funky like that. Makes you bad like that.
I wanna be bad. 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 Bad. I wanna be 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 bad. Yeah. I wanna be bad. 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 I wanna be bad.